Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to learn about electrostatic forces. Let's find out what's the definition of electrostatic forces. Electrostatic force means the attraction and repulsive force between two or more charged particles. As you can see on the screen, particle A and B are oppositely charged. For that only they are attracting each other. According to this law, if the two charged particle or more charged particle are oppositely charged, we can get an attraction force. Let's see what will happen in case of like charge or same charged particle. In case of like charge, the two particles will be having a repulsive force. As you can see on the screen, particle A and B both are positively charged. Let's find out some applications and example of electrostatic force in our day-to-day life. Like example, comb is being placed beside some pieces of paper and it is getting attracted by the pieces of paper due to the following reasons you can see on the screen. Number 2, lightning in rainy season. Lightning in rainy season is also due to the electrostatic force. Unlike charge, attraction force cause a lightning during the rainy season. And many more things happens due to electrostatic forces. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.